Hi, I'm Jess, licensed esthetician, and welcome back to my channel, Beauty Roams, where I share simple skincare, self-care, and beauty tips that you can do at home and that I do on the road. In today's episode, I'm going to do an unboxing of the Wildling Empress Stone facial collection, and I'm going to go into what the buzz is about Wildling and what makes them so special. You may have been seeing these black stones all over social media, including in the videos that I've been posting on my Instagram and my TikTok. I am affiliated with Wildling. I will have my affiliate link and discount code in the description below. You'll also be able to find a full facial tutorial using their Gua Sha stone, and I will put a link here. One of the first things that really struck me about Wildling is the amount of detail and thought that they put into everything, from the stone itself to the oil to the tonic to the packaging. And so receiving a box from them is more than just a package. They're actually inviting you to be a part of the Wildling family. So it's a really nice touch that I love in a small business. So thank you, Wildling. So when we open the box, first off, you have your card and they're officially welcoming you. So that's exactly what I'm talking about. This attention to detail makes me feel so special. So I love this. And there's a whole community within Wildling, so it's great to connect with them. And then everything comes packaged so beautifully. So it's going to come with your stone, it's going to come with your oil and your tonic. So let's talk a little bit more in detail about these. This is called the Empress Stone, and it has a combed edge, a pointed tip that you can use for pressure point. It has a long curved edge, and then it has the U edge, which is perfect to hug around corners along the jawline here, to hug pressure point areas around the nose, under the eye area here. And then it also has a short edge here. This is typically what a standard Gua Sha tool looks like, and this is what the Wildling one looks like. So you can see it's much larger. It's also wider, so it fits in your hand a lot better. Obviously too, the other difference is the combed edge. So the combed edge is fantastic for focusing more on wrinkles, for smoothing out the fascia, for increasing blood flow to that area and to helping to smooth out those wrinkles. So the other thing I like about it too is the weight of it, is that it's not too heavy but it's not too light, and so it's very easy to use. So then we also have the tonic and the oil. So these have been, when you read about them, they make these in small batches and they formulate them with ingredients that are going to help to promote lymphatic drainage and increasing oxygen within the skin and really helping with anti-aging. So it's said that with using the Gua Sha stone and using the tonic and the oil together, that you're going to get the most benefit from your treatment. So I hope you enjoyed following along with my unboxing of the Empress Stone by Wildling. So this is their facial kit. They do offer a few other kits, one for the body, one with dry brushing, and then they have a wand which helps with sore, tight muscles that you can use face and body. So lots of great things. Again, I'm affiliated with Wildling, and if you'd like to make a purchase, I will have my affiliate and discount code in my description below. If you found this information helpful, please like this video. If you have any comments, I'd love to get back to you and answer questions, and I'd love for you to subscribe and turn on your notifications to my channel so you can be notified of any time I upload a new video. And I'll be back soon with more simple skincare, beauty, and self-care tips from the road.